What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Today's video is our first episode of Fashion Friday. So every other Friday I'm going to be giving you guys a video with try on hauls or just cute fashion finds, just different type of like fashion things because I'm obsessed with clothes right now. So today's Fashion Friday video is going to be a Fashion Nova try on haul. So I just got this package from Fashion Nova in the mail, so we're going to try on all the Fashion Nova clothes. I'm going to try to put the picture of the model next to me wearing them whenever I try it on. As you guys know, a lot of the Fashion Nova models are super thin and they're curvy. I just have regular mom bod, so you're going to get to see me try on some of these cute clothes, and let's get into it. Okay, so this dress I love a lot. Obviously, I would need to wear different undergarments because clearly you can see this side and this side had to roll it up, and you can see the bra, so we would need to wear something different underneath. But it's pretty short too. I kind of like that, but it's pretty cute. I always put this pose on whenever I'm trying on my clothes to see how I can pose in pictures to kind of hide the fupa area and make it look cute. So I'm not sure like where I would go out in this, probably somewhere like my husband. But yeah, I think this is really cute. So with this dress, I think this is a size extra large and it fits really well here. It's just way too short, and that's probably because I'm so tall, but it's very, very cute. So this dress I love. Love, love, love. This dress, I think this is a size 1X. I went up the size because the last few times that I bought anything from Fashion Nova, I get an extra large, but it's just been like not fitting well. So yeah, this dress is really, really cute. I feel like this would be cute for like date nights or something. I don't know why I always do this pose whenever I try on my clothes. I just want to see like how I would pose in them to make sure I could get a cute picture. Okay, so this dress, I do love it. It looked really cute on the model, but I think that it's gonna have to wait for me to get my body together because this is like, it won't even zip. This is very, very cute. I'm just gonna have to save it until I get my life together because this is a no. This won't zip. And like I said, the size isn't extra large, so it should fit because they have in the past. I don't know if maybe it's just me or maybe they've changed people or whatever, but it's just not fitting. So I'll just save it for later. Okay, so this one is super duper cute. I still kind of feel like I'm not like truly ready for this. Like I'm not in my evolved state to wear something like this. I feel like this is too tight around here, or maybe I just need like different shapewear because it doesn't look good to me. And then this part is just like, they don't account for big-breasted people for this type of thing, because like what is this supposed to do right here? Maybe I'm supposed to like tie it up higher. Yes, that's what it is. I'm supposed to tie it up higher, but overall I think that this is a cute one. This one is it's a size extra large too, so see, this one fits better than the other one. Maybe it's just the other one is, I don't know, but it's just not fitting and I don't love that. So this is pretty cute, but I do think I need to like not eat for like a week. So this one is doing everything that it's supposed to do. So this one is a size extra large, and I literally have not changed the shapewear. This just looks a lot better than the other dresses have. And I think it's probably because it's stretchy. I feel like most things that I buy from Fashion Nova are pretty stretchy, so maybe that's what the difference is. But I love this dress. Green is the color for the summer if you did not know. So Love this dress. I love this one. This one is a size extra large as well. This one is also very stretchy. Same shapewear, same bra, just tucked it in here. Love it. I probably do need a different one that has more like suck to it. I do love this dress. I love this color, this rust. I believe it looks really nice on my skin. Okay, so these jeans are a size 15 normally. I get a 15 whenever they're stretchy because they fit tighter whenever you first put them on, but these fit fine except right here, but that's not the jeans fault. I do like how long these are. They are like I'm 5'7", and even these shoes, like if I wore heels, they would still be like touching the ground, so that's fine with me. I really like the color, the way they fit, except for right here, but everything else, I love these. I'm just going to keep them. Okay, so these jeans have upset me. These are a size 15. Also, these do not stretch. They're very long. They fit nice everywhere except right here. It's like I pull them up and then they stop about here where the meat of my thigh is. And it's like I could probably alter them myself or get them altered, but it's just like, what the heck? They're so cute and they're always sold out, so I don't want to like send them back, but what the fuck? Like, look at this. Yeah. I don't even think I could get like a fake pose out of these. No. Okay, so I got this top also. This is just like, I thought it was like an actual shirt, but like usual, it's a crop top. But I feel like with some high-waisted pants or like a high-waisted skirt, it'd be really cute. Not these sweatpants, obviously, but you know. And with different bra too. Okay, so the last thing I got was these orange heels. I got them in a size 11. I normally wear a size 10, but this is the only size they have left, and I actually ended up working out because I have more room in the shoes. They're more comfortable to walk in. I've walked around outside in them. So yeah, these are very cute. Pink, orange, and green are my colors for the summer. I'm obsessed, which is why I have these bright pink nails. I kind of felt like maybe too much, but I just love these colors together for the summer. So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching the first episode of Fashion Fridays with the Fashion Nova haul. And if you are not already, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you're subscribed so that you never miss a video, and you will see my face in the next one.